welcome back to my holiday organizing tip series where I upload an organizing tip daily to help you maybe achieve just a little bit more organization this holiday season. Now in this tip I want to talk about having a holiday gift bin in your home. And what I mean by that is so many times we'll be out running errands, we'll be like going to the grocery store, and on the way home from the grocery store we're gonna swing by that store, pick up that gift for that special someone, and then we come home and we are so distracted by the groceries we need to put away and everything that we just leave the gift bag somewhere in the house and maybe forget about it. But if you have a gift bin, and I usually recommend a bin like this that is opaque, you can't see through it. I use this, and when I come home with any of my gifts for the holidays, I just put it in that bin and seal it up. That way all of my holiday gifts are in one location. Now if you have young children and there might be a little bit more than what would fit in this bin, when my kids were little I would have different color bins like this, usually their favorite color, and I would store their gifts in their colored bin, okay? And that would be tucked away in my closet out of sight. The idea is you want to keep your gifts in one location so that when you go to wrap them, you can just grab them, wrap them, and get them out. Another thing I do with my gift bin is I attach one of my gift planner trackers to the lid. That way I can check off the gifts as I get them and keep track of it. And what I actually do is I take my phone and I take a photo of it when I'm heading out for more gifts so that I know what I've already got and what I still have yet to get. Now I've included this gift tracker template in my holiday downloadable PDF. I'll leave the link to that PDF in the description box below. Go check it out. I've got 55 pages of organizing checklists and templates like this, as well as a bunch of organizing tips to help you through the holidays. Go check it out. Like I said, the link's in the description box below. So if you want to achieve a little more organization this holiday season, maybe consider using a gift bin like this. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you want even more organizing tips like I said, go check out my downloadable PDF. The link is in the description below. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.